This is Steve with Craft Racing, and we've got another update. We just had one yesterday. Now we got another one. All right, so there she is. Let's turn it around and look at what we're looking at. We're here in the back. We're here in the back here. There's the super late. But anyways, we're focusing on. There's the thermostat housing. It's in there, and we ran the car. And it got to 208 and it stayed there, sitting here idling in the parking lot. So we're happy with that. We don't think it's the head gasket, because if it was a head gasket it would keep climbing up. So it was either thermostat or head gasket, and looks like it was the thermostat. Didn't open up until 210, and then the thing climbed to 223, and we were like, oh, shut it off. Now it only climbs to 208 idling. So we will be racing it tomorrow, or I will be racing it tomorrow, Kankakee Speedway. So we'll have to get it ready, and here's one look at it. Let's back up a little bit. There we go. Probably easier for me to just turn around. All right, here we go. It's only been out there in practice. It had different engine components than what it has now. Some of it's the same. The block is the same, but the head is different. Valves and pistons, valve springs, that's all different. Intake manifold's the same. Everything else is the same. Alrighty, inside. Yeah, it's very comfortable in here. What a driver's compartment. What a nice driver's compartment that is. Put my phone right there. And then I've got my camera system over there. And we've got our oil pressure gauge and our air fuel gauge. Let's start her up real quick. Alright, so there you go. It's Thursday. Tomorrow's race day, Kankakee Speedway. See you there. This is Steve with Craft Racing, and we're out.